Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade collagen powder. Collagen is a crucial protein, essential for maintaining healthy skin, strong hair, and flexible joints. Many people buy collagen supplements, but you can create your own natural version right in your kitchen. This guide will walk you through each step, from selecting the best ingredients to the final powdering process, ensuring you have a pure and potent product. It's a rewarding project that offers numerous health benefits. To begin, gather your main ingredient, high-quality animal bones. Aim for about 2 to 3 pounds of bones, such as beef marrow bones, knuckles, or even chicken feet, as these are rich in collagen. You'll also need a large stock pot and a fine mesh strainer. Before cooking, soak your bones in a large pot with enough water to cover them, adding about 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Let them sit for approximately 30 minutes. This helps extract more minerals and collagen. After the initial soak, drain the water and add fresh water to cover the bones by about 2 inches. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for a long time, typically between 12 and 24 hours, to fully extract the collagen. During this simmering period, occasionally skim off any foam or impurities that rise. Once cooked, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve, then chill it in the refrigerator until a firm, gelatinous layer forms. Once your gelatin is firm, it's time to dehydrate it. Carefully spread the gelatinous layer onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, aiming for an even, thin layer. Place it in an oven or dehydrator set to a low temperature, around 170 degrees Fahrenheit, for approximately 8 to 10 hours, or until it becomes completely brittle. Finally, break the dried sheets into smaller pieces and grind them into a fine powder using a high-speed blender or food processor. Store your homemade collagen powder in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.